Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Tiramisu Biscoff. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need mascarpone cheese, Biscoff cookies, and a good quality espresso or strong coffee. Fresh eggs are crucial for creating that rich, creamy custard. Make sure your coffee is brewed and cooled, as it will be used to quickly dip the Biscoff cookies, adding a delightful coffee flavor to each layer. Now let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. Begin by separating your egg yolks and whisking them with sugar until the mixture becomes pale and airy. Next, gently fold in the mascarpone cheese, ensuring everything is well combined and smooth. In a separate bowl, whip your egg whites to stiff peaks, then carefully fold them into the mascarpone mixture. This step adds a wonderful lightness to the cream. It's time to assemble our delicious Biscoff tiramisu. Take your Biscoff cookies and quickly dip them into the cooled coffee, being careful not to oversaturate them. Arrange a single layer of these dipped cookies at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. Then, spread a generous, even layer of your creamy mascarpone mixture over the cookies. Repeat these layers until all ingredients are used, finishing with a cream top. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Before serving, dust the top with crushed Biscoff cookies or a sprinkle of cocoa powder for an elegant finish. You'll find this dessert is a delightful twist on a classic. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.